We got the wiring cleaned up on the inside of the big girl. That's not too shabby. Refrigerator is going to go right there. I'm just going to naturally hide the wiring behind the fridge. I'm going to go see if I can grab that now and get that thrown in here. Well, there she is. The big little fridge. Didn't clear by a lot. And yeah, at first thought I was thinking this is going to be a pain in the ass to figure out how to mount this, but then it dawned on me it's going to be really easy. We got those factory seat belt bolt holes back there, and I still got the bolts and everything. So I'm going to fab up a couple brackets, and I'm going to perma-bond it to the side and bolt it to the seat belt bracket holes back there, and probably up top and down a little bit where those holes are. I'll perma-bond a couple more metal brackets on and screw them right to the wall right there, just to help keep it from tipping. But those brackets down there, those are solid. Those are going to hold it tight. Seems to be pretty level, stable. Once we get bolted, it's light, which is good and bad, I guess. I just fired it up and I got it cranking on high. What are we doing here? Minus 11.1 amp hours, 280 watts. This fridge is sucking some power, but that's because it's hot. Hasn't been warmed up yet. But like I was saying, it's got the bottom freezer, and I'm carnivore. I eat meat and eggs primarily, so that'll hold me lots of meat. And this will hold me plenty of everything else. Plenty of eggs and cheese. Oh, that wraps this update up. Catch you on the next one. Later.